Lonely nights been crying, empty hearts keep sighing, broken dreams keep flying. In the dark I'm lying, silent whispers haunting, every memory taunting. Shadows keep on daunting, stillness ever wanting. Tears like rain keep falling, in this pain I'm crawling. Heartfelt cries are calling, through the night I'm stalling. Lost in sadness sinking, endless moments shrinking. In my mind still thinking of the love unlinking. Faded love now drifting, broken soul uplifting. Hope and fear they're shifting, time is slowly gifting. Tears like rain keep falling, in this pain I'm crawling. Heartfelt cries are calling, through the night I'm stalling. Chasing dreams high in the sky, we won't fall, we will fly. No limits, we touch the sky. We are strong, we never die. Lights are bright, the night is young. Heart beats fast, a song unsung. Echoes loud, we've just begun. Live forever on the run. We will rise, never die. Hands held high, touch the sky. Feel the fire in our eyes. We're alive, we never die. Shadows fade, dawn breaks in. New horizons we begin. Hope is bright beneath our skin. Battle scars, but we win. Stars will guide through the night, with our dreams shining bright. In this fight, we take flight, unbreakable through lies. We will rise, never die. Hands held high, touch the sky. Feel the fire in our eyes. We're alive, we never die. Stars will guide through the night, with our dreams shining bright.